how to make this heart headband without using a sewing machine. Stay tuned! If you love anything about hairbands, consider subscribing. Hi, welcome to Anjurisa channel. It's been a while since my last update and I have new curly hair! Yay! Wait, that's not important. Anyway, I got another request about how to make this heart headband, and you know I've never made a tutorial about heart headbands before. So this will be my first video on how to make a heart headband. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I use pleated fabric for this heart headband. This fabric is very beautiful. Well, it's pleated as you can see. You can find this at fabric stores. Just show them the texture of the fabric and I'm sure they'll know one. Without stretching the fabric, the width is about 3 inches or 8 centimeters is fine. The length of fabric is about 36 inches or 90 centimeters. I'll close the raw edges of the fabric. If you want to use sewing machine, you can fold the fabric in half and then sew this part and turn the fabric inside out. Because this is a no-sew headband tutorial, I'll use a hot glue gun. So add some glue along the fabric. Then fold the fabric. Now fold the fabric in half and cut the fabric. This is the back side and this is the front side. With the front sides facing up, glue the fabrics together. Twist the fabric about 4 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Glue the fabrics once again. Now this is interesting. Spread the fabric evenly. Like this one. Then I'll just add a dab of glue to hold the fabric in place. Turn the fabric. And I'll begin to glue from the center here. So add a dab of glue here. just like this. Cut the excess fabric. Fold the fabric like this. And we'll cover this later. Prepare a grosgrain ribbon. I used an inch white ribbon. We'll need about 6 inches or 15 centimeters. And then cut the ribbon and seal the ribbon. Use this ribbon to cover the heart headbands. And our heart headband is finished. If you want to close the back side of this heart headband, you can use felt fabric, but I'll just leave it like this. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this heart headband tutorial, please like and share this video. If you hate this video, just hit the dislike button, it's fine. Any questions, write in the comment below. And please support this channel by subscribing and ring the bell.